Yes, a silver box with a blue star on it. Just look at this box. It says Converse. Yes, it is a Converse box. But have you ever seen this kind of a box from Converse? No, right? Everyone has seen that black and white Converse box where the box is black and you see white Converse written there. That's it. But this is a different box. And why so? Let's see what is inside this. And this is going to be very fun. A very beautiful pair from Converse. So without wasting any of the time, let's start. What is up, people? This is Kamleya, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, I'm very excited for this unboxing. So we'll first unbox the sneaker, then we'll talk about it. Let's go. This is Converse Weapon OX, a full white leather upper sneaker. It is a 90s basketball sneaker silhouette, but reimagined for today's modern lifestyle use. You get to see full white smooth leather on it with hints of powder blue all over the sneaker. This is a very interesting silhouette. Very fun, very versatile. This can go with a ton of different outfits. You can really wear this sneaker every day, day in, day out. It can be a morning lecture, afternoon office or night party. You can wear this sneaker everywhere you want. That chalk white midsole with that powder blue outsole adds a very interesting character to this pair. I just love the paneling done all over the sneaker. Small details like small stars around the Converse logo on the side panel looks very interesting, and that is what makes a sneaker attractive in my opinion. Small details makes a huge difference. This is a very balanced sneaker. It is not sleek, it is not chunky or bulky. It is exactly in between, at the sweet spot. Great quality, decent comfort, very versatile pair. And all of this under 5,000 rupees. This pair retails for 6,999 rupees, that is 7,000 rupees. But you can right now go and get this pair for 4,800 rupees. That is a mind-blowing price for this pair. So do let me know, will you buy this pair under 5,000 rupees? What do you guys think about this pricing? And if you like this pair, I bet you will love this video. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.